Hey guys, what is up? It is Cameron back once again bringing you guys a brand new video today. Today we're going to be doing a budget-friendly review. When I say that, we're going to be doing a review of a soundbar that's under $100, actually coming in at $90. It's the Wohome S11 soundbar for your home entertainment system. Now the soundbar is good for gaming, watching movies, playing music. It's got everything. So if you're interested in checking it out further, visit the link in the description down below at any point in the video and it'll take you right to the Amazon page for you to check the speaker out further. But stick around, I'm going to show you what comes in the box, give you a sample of what the speaker sounds like and show you all the details about it and give you guys my final thoughts on it. So anyways, without further ado, just going to jump right into the video and I'll give you all the details on this speaker. Alright, so let's start things off by taking a look at what you're going to get in the box when you do purchase this speaker. The first thing you're going to get is going to be a quick start guide which shows you how to set the speaker up and get everything up and running. Then you're going to get three different inputs. You have an auxiliary input cable, an RCA input cable, and then an optical cable. So all three of these can be used to hook the speaker up to different devices. It really is up to you. It also does have Bluetooth, so that just gives you a whole another wireless option. So a lot of different hookups that you get with this speaker. Then obviously you get the power strip, and finally you're going to get a remote control which really covers everything for the speaker. It's how you power it on, change the volume. You can control the input on here, and then the best part is controlling the treble and the bass on here. So it does have independent controls for that, so you can adjust those as you like. And then it does have three different settings: music, television, and movies, which have preset obviously adjustments made to it. If you're watching TV, you can change it. If you're watching a movie, you can change it that, or if you're playing music, you can change it that. It just has presets built into it. Now moving over to the speaker itself, this is a 38-inch soundbar, and there's a couple different things on here in terms of buttons that you should know about. On the back is where you're going to find all your different inputs. On there you have a USB input, you have an auxiliary input, optical input, RCA cable input, and this is obviously where your power input is going to be. So really the back of the speaker houses everything that you need, but there is some additional buttons on the side where you can control the volume, the input, and the power. So if you can't find the remote or it's just not close enough to you, you can obviously use these buttons. I prefer just to use the remote, but at least these are built into the speaker just in case maybe you're out of batteries or something. Then if we look at the front, you can see that really is where all the sound is obviously going to be coming from. On the front, you're going to find two 20-watt full range speakers and then two 20-watt sub-range speakers for a total of 4 speakers across the device. I will say in terms of audio quality on this, these speakers do a really nice job of providing great audio quality when it comes to listening to music, watching a TV show, or playing a movie. Really the treble and the bass on both of these are really deep for the bass, and then the treble, you can adjust it how you like it, but I think it sounds really good. I haven't had a problem with not understanding people talk or lyrics in the songs. I think it does a good job of providing both great bass and treble. Alright, so now I'm going to show you guys some samples of what this sounds like, and in the interest of not getting copyrighted, I'm not going to play any TV content or movies or anything like that. I will say it sounds really good with both of those. I'm going to play some royalty-free music just so you can get an idea of, from a music standpoint, what does it sound like. But I mean, you can tell from the bass and the treble of the music kind of how it's going to sound on TV. It is a great improvement over any TV speaker, I can guarantee you that, but this will just give you an idea of what it sounds like. I just can't get copyright on this video by having that kind of content in there. So here's a sample of what it sounds like with music, and for reference for this, I'm about 5 feet away from the TV filming this with a condenser microphone on top of the camera. So that'll give you an idea of what it sounds like. Alright guys, so final opinions on the soundbar. I think it sounds great. I think it's overall a really quality soundbar, and it really has improved my experience when watching movies and TV shows on it. And then also when I've used it to play music, I think it sounds really good overall across the board, especially for $90. You really can't go wrong. It's definitely on the cheaper end, but I think you're not really sacrificing any quality with that price tag. I think you're getting a really good deal on this speaker. So like I said, if you're interested in checking it out further, visit the links in the description down below. It'll take you right to the Amazon listing. But overall, final opinions on the Wohome S11, I think Great speaker for $90. Would definitely recommend checking it out. It'll improve your content consuming experience greatly. So thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel if you did for more content. Leave a like rating on the video if you enjoyed. Let me know in the comment section down below what you want to see next on the channel, and I'll be sure to try to review it. So thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll catch you in my next video. See ya.